This review is of the Luxmo Premium Z-11 or Y-J001-041 or 042, not sure which, camping lantern. And here is the lovely outer sleeve. No brand naming. And here are some specifications for you. Lots of compliances over here. And lots of features too. I mean, battery level display, cool, warm, or warm light, high brightness, fast Type-C charging, RGB power bank with USB-A, and then so the IP rating is 5 for water and 0 for dust. Power failure protection, magnetic, telescopic, lift for the top part, or not lift, but a rod, a telescoping rod, really. And camping, it's good for camping. It's also got a flashlight on it. And when it says magnetic, it means the feet. So that's the sleeve. And here's the nice sketch. It's well packaged, I have to say. It's got this nice protective foam in here. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C charger. And it also comes with 3 ground hooks to hold it on the ground if you want it on the ground. And this is the magic wand. The magic wand of Potterland, because that's not copyrighted, I don't think, anyways. So we'll start with the feet. You can set them up at various heights. Each of them has a pair of reflective stickers on them, as well as a glow-in-the-dark little rubber pad there. And these holes are where you put the stakes. So you run the stake through there, into the ground, one for each of these, or because that's all you get. And then that makes sure that it won't fall down. Now, that said, the bottom here, there's magnets in the bottom of these. They are weak. So if you put them on something made of metal, like this, I mean, it's not very strong. So I would not rely on those magnets because they cheaped out on the magnets. So they're not reliable. Also, if you want to hang this in your camping tent at night, turn it upside down and hang it from this little lanyard here. Now this, at first I thought this was made of metal because it definitely is colored like metal, but this is actually plastic and is decorative. It actually blocks some of the light coming from this middle section here. We have the on-off switch for the top one, because this is actually a switch even though it looks like a button. And this is for the bottom one. And for the bottom one, the lighting looks like, whoops, let me just get a little bit less light here. The bottom one looks like this. So that is on a nice orange, and then blue, green, red, and off again. I'm not sure if anything, and if you hold down the button, it will cycle through the various ones. Lots of different colors. Let me get that one off. Come on, there we go. I'm going to try and see what happens. And the same thing happens if you turn it on first and then long press it. And then for the top one, it has the flashlight. Woo, don't go blind. And then, oops, wrong one. Turn that off. Now we have very bright orange lights, white, warm white. And if we hold down the button, nothing. So it's not, but if you turn it on first, you can then cycle how bright it is by holding the button down. And once it gets to the maximum or the minimum, it will flash. Let me turn that off because I'm blind. And then this middle thing here is the display of power that's left. And we have over here the ports for charging and for power bank. Now this is the part that I think is kind of cool. Aside from the flashlight and the panels, it is fairly tall. Now, just for a reference, I am 6'1" tall. I'm going to put the legs all the way wide. And so it's going to about here, which means it's about a little bit over 3 feet tall. Now, if I happen to make these like this, then it's a little bit taller. Yeah. And you can't even see that, but let me show you. It's got that far above me. Okay. Now, not done yet. This is pretty great because now you can have this light way up here, but yet there's more. Because these panels are, I don't like this design, but you have to kind of squeeze to pull one out. And then it's easier to do the other ones. So you can have it like this, so it's lighting up an area, or you can have them facing down, so you can light an area beneath it, or you can even put them like this, so they are lighting up above, or you can do it 50-50, any way you like. So honestly, I think it's not perfect, but it's really, really, really good, in my opinion. I really like it. We're going to be testing this on a camping trip soon, very, very soon. So if there are any updates to share with you, we'll let you know, or I'll let you know, because my son doesn't like being on screen very much. That is it from me. If you have any questions, put them down below in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.